Another significant framework in technology integration in teaching and learning, especially in instructional designing, is the technological pedagogical content knowledge, or popularly known as TPACK. TPACK is a framework that identifies the knowledge that teachers need to teach effectively with technology. TPACK is divided into three primary forms of knowledge. First is on content, second is on pedagogy, and the third is technology. TPACK is classified or categorized into four knowledge bases, teachers applicable to teaching with technology. The first one is on pedagogical content knowledge, second, technological content knowledge, technological pedagogical knowledge, or TPK, and the fourth one is technological pedagogical content knowledge, or the TPACK. Let us discuss the three primary forms of knowledge and the four knowledge bases as identified by technological pedagogical content knowledge framework. Let's start first with the content knowledge. The content knowledge, this is where teachers' knowledge about the subject matter to be learned or taught. This is about the content level. This is about a reminder that teaching at the different groups of learners vary according to content. Second, the pedagogical knowledge. This describes teachers' knowledge of the practices, processes, and methods regarding teaching and learning. As a generic form of knowledge, PK, or pedagogical knowledge, encompasses the purposes, values, and aims of the education. And this may apply to more specific areas, including the understanding of student learning styles, classroom management, skills, lesson planning, and assessment. On technology knowledge, this describes teachers' knowledge of and ability to use various technologies, technological tools, and associated resources. TK concerns understanding educational technology, considering its possibilities for a specific subject area or classroom, learning to recognize when it will assist or impede learning, and continually learning and adapting to a new technology offering. Fourth one is on the pedagogical content knowledge. This describes teachers' knowledge regarding foundational areas of teaching and learning, including curricula development, student assessment, and reporting results. PCK focuses on promoting learning and on tracing the links among pedagogy and its supportive practices such as curriculum, assessment, evaluation, and much like the CK, and will also offer differ according to grade level, according to the learning outcomes, and according to subject matter. Next, on technological content knowledge. This describes teacher understanding of how technology and content can both influence and push against each other. TCK involves understanding how the subject matter can be communicated via different educational technology offerings and considering which specific educational technology tools might be best suited for a specific subject matter or of a specific topic in a given class, in a given classroom, or in a given learning opportunity. Technological pedagogical knowledge. This describes teacher understanding of how particular technologies can change both the teaching and learning. experiences by introducing new pedagogical affordances and constraints. Another aspect of TPK or technological pedagogical knowledge concerns understanding how such tools can be deployed alongside pedagogy in ways that are appropriate to the discipline and at the same time the development of the lesson at hand. Technological pedagogical content knowledge is the end result. The end result of these various combinations and interests, drawing from them and from the three larger underlying areas of content, pedagogy, and technology, which, in order to create an effective basis for teaching using educational technology. According to the website of TPACK.org, TPACK is owned by the community, and the community continue to improve, continue to improvise, and continue to modify the framework in order to provide new ways in order to be responsive and appropriate to the current times. And here is one of the modifications of TPACK, which is the ICT TPACK, where knowledge about tools and their affordances, pedagogy, content, learners, and context are synthesized in one approach. In this framework, topics that are difficult to be understood by the learners or difficult to be presented by the teachers could be taught more effectively, interactively with educational technology.